A desire to enable machines to have a longer service life and better efficiency was the driving force behind the formation of established in 1992 by Bhavesh Oza. Today, the company has carved a niche for itself in the surface modification industry. Since past 16 years, we have been engaged in providing surface coating applications and machining services for a vast range of components in a wide cross-section of industries spread across India, Southern Asia and Middle East. Since 2003, we have diversified into manufacturing of components with surface coating. Today we manufacture coated rolls for paper, printing and steel industries and coated valves, sleeves, plungers, compressor rods and white metal bearing for the oil, petrochemical and hydropower segment. The facility located in Ahmedabad is equipped with modern machine shop, coating, grinding and finishing equipment. Our state-of-the-art spray booth has double-angle cameras for close viewing from operator console. HP, HVOF, JP5000 spraying machine and 7-axis robot with track motion to provide high-performance coating. We also manufacture all type of customized paper mill rolls as per customer specification. Our major focus area and technological breakthrough have been in the field of paper and pulp industry. Our engineering services for the paper industry include rewinder drum coating, MG coating, dryer grinding and calendar rope. Our skilled technicians are trained at Tokalo's Akashi plant for robotic coating of boiler tube. We apply abrasion and erosion resistant coating on the boiler tube.
We are in discussion with Senior GM Techno Pvt Amritsar. The discussion that we are having is basically on the life enhancement of boiler tube coating service that we did in December 2014.
Yes, definitely. We have two boilers and two turbines are there. One is a 100-ton boiler, another one is 70-ton boiler, and both are ABC type boiler and supplied by Thermex. So basically we are using the pet coke as the main fuel, and then Indian coal is there. And due to this typical fuel characteristic of pet coke, it is having a lot of sulfur content is very high, nearly 6%, 7%, sometimes coming to 9% also. One leakage is going to stop the boiler for nearly 24 hours to 36 hours.
Okay. So what is the first time we suffer a boiler tube leakage after installation of new bed coils?
If I'll observe that old records of that one, so generally 5 to 6 months one leakage is there, and then after that every 2 to 3 months there is one leakage is there. In that case, in a year you can find that nearly 3 to 4 leakages are there in a first year.
Okay, sir.
Then second year you can 4 to 5, and after that you have to replace the coil. For the losses point of view, basically that is a production loss is there, because there is unplanned is there. So whatever the commitment is there with the marketing team, with the market, there is we are not able to supply the material in the right time. Then there is a loss of that power generation, because if you are stopping the boiler, then you have to import the power from the grid. There is a manpower loss is also there, because sometimes we have to hire the extra manpower, and then chemical loss is also there, because whatever the chemicals is rotating in the system, if you are stopping the boiler, then that all the chemicals and that is going to be drained in the, then that will come to the ETP, that is that chemicals loss is there. If you will take the straight for production loss, that is not no less than coming out to be 25 to 30 lakhs in one outages.
Okay.
Erosion is there due to the coal nozzle, because the underbed firing is there and the coal nozzle is the main culprit, so which is eroding that bed coil. First of all, what happens during the tube leakage? First of all, stud will go.
Okay, sir.
After that, parameters of having nearly 6.35 mm of thickness.
Okay, sir.
10 mm thickness of the stud will burn out.
Okay.
There will be erosion in the stud, and after the tube material of 6.35, then there is a tube leakage.
Okay.
We had tested this coating in our 70 TPH boiler in last year in the contract with the Thermax. So for that, because OEM is very much required for that, all the corrections and modification in the boiler.
Yes.
So we are thinking for that higher hardness material, discussing with the Thermax also, and then we have come to know that thermal spray coating is there. If you are going with the thermal spray coating, that is hardness is increasing by just nearly to double.
Okay.
You can reach up to 55 to 60 HRC. We have changed the bed coil along with that thermal spray coating, which is done by the ATS from Ahmedabad. For the ATS point of view, the Thermax is, I recommended Thermax to go for that thermal spray coating. The ATS, we can say that I have worked with the ATS in the 2010 and 2009 also. In that time, I was looking after that board machine maintenance also. During that time, both the board machine number 1 and board machine number 2, I had done the MG coating and grinding. So I had experience of this ATS in that also, and that MG coating grinding was very good. And after that there was some problem of the glaze, and that after the coating grinding that was working very, very good. So that was very good experience with the ATS. And we have started the boiler in 16 December 2014, and till date. There is no leakage in the boiler, so I can say that nearly 10 months are over, and touch wood, this boiler is running perfectly alright. So during preventive stoppages, we check that condition of the bed coil also, and we check that spray coatings as well as that condition of the tube. So condition of the tube was very good, and we have not found any sort of erosion is there. Coating material is there. So very slight polishing, slight shining is there. So till that time there is no significant, we can say that erosion in the stud also. So condition is very good. We can expect that it will come nearly 1.5 years to 2 years.
The current life that you were saying that almost after Erosion ATS 172 coating, you almost save around 5 to 7 boiler tube leakages, I believe.
We expect. Till date, I can quote that we have saved nearly at least 2 outages of that one.
Currently.
If I compare with the last 10 years data, so it is, I can say that I have saved nearly at least 2 outages of that one.
So is there any losses you feel to the boiler tube? Any efficiency have reduced? So it means heat losses are almost negligible on this.
This heat transfer coefficient and this your elongation, both are matching with the IBR requirement. So the heat transfer is also along with that one, and IBR is also certifying for that.
No coal consumption has not rise up from that.
We have done this all the coating in our premises only. Total inspection was there in front of KP. What we have done, we have taken the sample of that one, and then after that grid blasting and then coating of that one, and after that we have tested of that hardness also. So because what the ATS is saying and what the lab is saying, my lab, that was matching. So that was nearly going to be 57 HRC was there in the hardness. We have tested that one, and the sample is same.
You are having another boiler, so is there any future plan for that also?
Definitely, because we have 2 boilers, one is 70 TPH boiler and another is 100 TPH boiler. So we have tested in the 70 TPH boiler, and we are planning for 100 TPH boiler.
Our process, equipment and spray booth all combine to ensure dense, oxide and porosity-free coatings with high hardness and better gripping properties, which increase the speed of the machine by more than 50%. We have an unparalleled track record of handling more than 110 mg cylinder coating and grinding work in past 9 years. The coating is undertaken with multiple coating systems, which reduces coating time. With our in-house R&D, we have developed special electromechanical portable grinders which can operate in compact spaces for undertaking complex in-situ grinding of Yankee cylinders for reducing machines' downtime. We have a wide experience of undertaking grinding and balancing of more than 330 dryers cylinders. At Imami Paper Mill, we have undertaken on-site grinding and dynamic balancing of 40 dryers and cylinders. The second-hand imported machine had rated machine speed of 1060 mpm. which after surface modification by our experts, it runs consistently at 1130 MPa. We have developed functional coatings for poop reel, felt roll, pulp mill screws and non-stick Teflon coating on dryers. When it comes to quality, we at ATS continually enhance and upgrade our quality system, giving world-class engineering services. Our quality system has helped us garner ISO 9001-2000 accreditation in the year 2004. People are assets to a company and the essence to success of the organization. We believe that a happy workforce is a productive workforce. A highly professional team of research specialists working at the cutting-edge technology to research new innovations. While designing and developing products, clients' needs are factored in to meet their requirements. ATS has an ambitious vision for the future. It provides fresh impetus to expansion on the lines of contract manufacturing. Moreover, it will continue to grow organically across the verticals and continue to provide a sustainability to machines.